deserve the throne, they said. But some guy said something different. Golden A.I banners waved across Metropolis, the A.I Empire's capital city, where voices praised. Guy was next in line, comedy personified but half dazed. The throne was about to be his, the choir rose. Guy grinned and whispered, "Yeah, no," and the crowd gasped and froze. Guy said, "No," to the golden crown, to the ruler book, the scripts, to the golden title. They said, "Lead us, be the emperor of expectations till your last breath." He laughed and dipped, said he'll define his own success. The emperor said, "Not to the throne." 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 Flashback to the past, a space monster truck toy took flight on imaginary quantum roads with a toddler's roar. Guy's son shouted and laughed, "Dad, it's a space war!" And it was Spark, that unfiltered grin. Guy felt something real again within. Guy traveled to a cosmic con, escaped from royal diplomacy for laughs and put a Jester costume on. Met Eden, the Gremlin Goddess, also dressed as a Jester near the fandom stage. Ditched a flash mob to take in our gremlin smile and gaze. But then in the Empire Palace's mirror, he found suppressed fire and pain. In the mirror was Era, princess of tragedy, destined to accept the cosmic magic planet's Cenarius throne and reign. Sealing messages between them written in cosmic magic, shared laughs and cries, the story of comedy and tragedy, until their shared dreams die! Guy stepped into the void, a dimension of cosmic magic where space-time passed slow. A Ferris wheel surreally spun in front of the galaxy's golden A.I background glow. Error arrived, two shadows united in the night, walking their first bridge on their shared path of freedom. Error feared the bridge and Guy's life. In the void's mirror hall, Guy saw his own grin exaggerated wide. His distorted reflection laughed and said, "I want to play outside." The mirror shattered, his reflection stepped through the frame. Guy collapsed, he awoke to Era whispering his name. Comedy's fire and tragedy storm danced until their mirror shattered. Era crowned herself queen. Guy rose from the ashes, raw and fractured. He carved gnawing flames across her black throne, while the void spun on Guy. A phoenix reborn had already flown. Guy said no to the dual thrones cold charm, to the tragic palace life with its silent alarms. Era's tragedy mask cracked when Guy left the stage. He built Phoenix wings and flew, said it's time to turn the page. The emperor said, "Not to the throne." 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 From Era's palace to the Golden A.I Empire's golden light, only days passed since his phoenix flight. Guy's son had vanished while Guy was away. No trace cried out, his head held up high. Guy said no! To the golden crown, to the ruler book, the scripts, to the golden town. They said lead us, be the emperor of expectations till your last breath. He laughed and dipped, said he'll define his own success.